Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate relaxation experience with the Snailax Shiatsu neck and back massager with heat, designed to provide a full back kneading shiatsu or rolling massage with adjustable height for a personalized fit. This versatile massager features 4 unique neck massage nodes that deliver deep tissue kneading for your neck and shoulders, and the Shiatsu neck roller can be adjusted up and down to accommodate users between 63 and 70.9 inches tall. With its Shiatsu back massager, you can enjoy the soothing motion of 4 rotating balls that travel up and down your back, offering selective massage zones for full, upper, or lower back relief, and a spot massage option for pinpoint relaxation. The integrated heating pad further eases muscle tension, while the detachable flap lets you choose between a softer or more intense massage experience. For added customization, the rolling massage feature glides along your spine, with adjustable ball width to perfectly fit your body, and the vibration seat massager offers 2 levels of intensity for your hips and thighs. This massager can be used on your sofa, recliner, or office chair, thanks to its integrated strapping system, making it the ultimate comfort seat in your home. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift for Father's Day, a birthday, or just to treat yourself, the Snailax Shiatsu massager is a thoughtful choice for anyone seeking relaxation and comfort, but remember to stop using it if the shiatsu feels too strong.